Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams.
And is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, front all-season tires. Come see the car for yourself.